How you doing? This video is going to be about designing with economy in mind. Is a good word for it. But as you see here on my screen, I have a basically that 50 by 50 square that we all started with. Not that your footprint has to end up as a square. Again, you're going to manipulate this, and it can probably take on a completely new different shape. Okay. But with walls, okay, and rooms and things like that, let me load up a good wall here. Okay, what you have to do is you have to divide the space up here. It's not, I'm going to draw a room here and then I'm going to draw a room here, because then you end up with things, like, I want to draw a room there, okay, and one here. Make something that makes a good sized bedroom or whatever. I'm going to draw a room here. That's going to be another room. Then I'm going to draw me a kitchen. Okay. That's the wrong way to do it. Okay. That's not going to be economy of design. I'm just going around basically drawing squares inside of other squares. So what we do when we're designing a floor plan is we look at it and we take this whole space that we've got here, this 50 by 50 space, and we think about what are we going to put in this space. Now I know this is going to be the front of my house. I always start with the front of my house down here in the south. Some people start up in the north, whatever, however you want to start. But what you want to look at is you want to have, or what rooms you want to have in certain areas. Now, I know up here in the front, I want my living room, probably my dining room as well. I know I'm going to have a kitchen somewhere in here, and I'm going to have a master bedroom in here. So those are some things I'm going to have. And I know that with some of those rooms, other things come along with it. Like a master bedroom has to have a master bath and a master closet. Kitchen is going to be located near the dining room, and you're going to have a dining room in here. But you can pretty much start anywhere and start, designing and then tweaking your design as you go. But with economy of design in mind means that if I want my living room to be up here in the front somewhere, okay, I'm going to start. I know I want it to be about, let's say, 15 foot deep from the front of the house, 15 foot back. So I'm going to start by drawing this all the way across the front. Now, I don't want that whole area to be my living room. Some of that can be my dining room, or it can be my kitchen. I could even put like a little one-car garage or something over here, something of that nature. But because of the design that we're doing, we do need to have like a dining room. So let's say, looking at this area right here, I'm thinking, and if you don't know how big a dining room is, you can Google it. Google some plans and see what some common dining room sizes are. You can go home and measure your own dining room if you have one. You don't always have one. I have a dining room in my home, but I turned it into an office. But, we kind of think, what size do I want this thing? So I'm actually going to make my dining room 17 by 15. So I'm going to draw another wall here, and that's 17 feet out, okay, from that corner. It actually doesn't come out to an actually 17 by 15 because you see I'm measuring to the center of my wall. So that space isn't going to be exact. But it gets me there. It gets me in the ballpark. So if this is going to be my dining room, I want this to be more than likely my living room. Okay, now I got to have a kitchen somewhere down here. The kitchen needs to be located somewhere close to the dining room. So I'm going to imagine a kitchen for now, right here in this area, about 20 feet long. Okay, so there is my kitchen. Now, here's what I mean by economy of design. This actually ends up being one whole wall going all the way through. It's not like a whole wall here and then, of course, jutting over this way, having another wall, jutting back over here and having another wall. That's going to cost money, extra money in materials. Also going to cost extra money in labor time. It's going to take more time to put something like that together. So here I've got the economy going. You know, I got one straight wall here, I got one straight wall here, and I got one straight wall here. So right now I've got 3 walls in here altogether. Not a whole bunch of walls scattered all over the place, but 3 walls. So if this is my kitchen, then this, you know, could be also a garage, you know, or it could be part of the master bedroom, or part of a master bathroom. There's lots of things that I could put over here. So if this is my living room, I know that I'm going to have an entryway, probably about right here. So entryway is going to take up some of that space right there. And then I'll have like a access here, like a doorway or a door going into the other parts of the house. So door here, door there, you know, basically this whole thing right here, there'll be doors all around. This may be completely open. Okay. Who knows? Another good idea here is I can go ahead and I can start calling this the master bathroom. So we got a kitchen and we got a master bathroom. That's always good because you're going to have plumbing that's going to come through this wall. And instead of running a lot of plumbing underneath the foundation, which is expensive, you know, plumbing can come into this wall and just go right down this wall to the bathroom and deliver some water to that location as well. Master bedroom. Let's see how much space we got here. I'm just going to draw down from this corner. Okay, so it's actually starting to snap in places, so I'm going to use my ruler. Okay, so 15 foot wide. I could have a master bedroom that's 15 foot wide. That's possible. I don't have to. I can have it a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, whatever I want to do. But again, thinking of economy of design, I'm going to take this wall, stretch it out all the way to there. And that separates my master bedroom. Now I'm also going to want a closet in there. So I'm going to put another wall. We need a master closet. So let's see, you know, about a 10 foot is good. 10 feet is good. So now things are starting to come into shape and look a little better. So I've got a living area. I've got a, what did I call that? I forgot. Dining room. I got a kitchen. I've got a master bedroom. I mean, a master bathroom, a bedroom closet, and then a master bedroom. Right here, again, I can still go with a garage if I wanted to, put the garage right smack in the middle of the house. That doesn't make very good design sense, although I have seen it before. So it's not like it's never been done. I know I have to get upstairs, so there has to be a way to go up and down stairs. So I'm going to cordon this off here, and stairs have to be 36 inches wide, you know, your walkway path up the stairs. So this is going to be a two-sectional stairs. You're going to have part of it going up, then you're going to have a landing, and then the stairs are going to reverse back up and go completely the other direction. So at 36 inches, that's what, 72 if you add 36 and 36. And I don't remember how many feet that is. I think it's, I don't know. Let's do it this way. Let's do 72 inches. Okay, it's actually, is that right, 4 feet? No, it wouldn't be 4 feet. So here, I'm going to come out here. Let's do this. I'm going to place just a model line to mark my point. Start drawing here, 72 inches. Okay, come down here. No, that can't be right. That's 3 feet. 36, 3 feet, 3 feet. Okay, got it. So what I'm going to do here, okay, is now, you know, again, I have to have 36 for both walkways or both passageways of my stairs. It's going to be stairs going up one way and then doubling back around and going up the other. So 36 and 36. That's 3 and 3, 6. And I'm going to have to have a little playroom because a little space to play with because there's going to be a wall between those two. So I am going to go 6 feet and probably I'm going to go 6.5 feet, 6 feet, 6 inches. Give me that much to play with. All right, so I'm going to cordon that off. Now, my stairs may not take up that whole section right here. That's just what I'm cordoning off because I know I need to put those right there. So stairs, double back. And now I have all this space right here to work with. And I can just use my imagination. Do I want to make an office space in there? Do I want to put a playroom? Do I want to put both? Maybe I'll have office space and some other kind of playroom or something like that in there. So from here, of course, I would probably go in and I'd start putting in doors. And then I would think about, I got to have some hallways in here. And I don't want this whole space just to be open playroom. I kind of want there to be some privacy with the master bedroom, a little bit of separation from the kitchen, living room, and then dining room. Okay, so I'll pause here and then we'll come back later and kind of look and see what I did with this particular floor plan design. Now we're back and you can see what I've done here. I've taken that space and I didn't actually expand any walls or shrink any walls or anything like that. I just used the space I had to design a very elaborate first floor. I did move some things around, but as you see, I'm relying on, lots of straight walls, not a lot of unnecessary bends and juts and things of that nature. About the only irregularities would be right here in this area right here in the middle. But I was able to use it effectively. But again, I got the living room here, dining room, kitchen, master bath, master closet, master bed. This is a woman cave, and this is your man cave. Of course, I do know that the man cave is a bit larger than the woman cave. Well, I'm a man, and if I had to, I'd split that space a little more evenly. I have a pantry right here, and I have a little laundry area right here. I'm also going to have my hot water heater and air handler closet right in here as well. And you have to have a downstairs bathroom. So that's some of the moving around that I'm probably going to end up doing. I'm probably going to eat up some of this living room space and create a bathroom somewhere in here. I might even turn the man cave into a bathroom. But anyway, we'll see as we go along. But as you can see, everything's divided out. I divided the space. I didn't draw bedrooms here and there. I didn't draw closets. I took that space and I divided it according to my needs. Okay, so you have to really think of it in that perspective. And that's it for this video.